Hello everyone, my name is Carlos. I'm doing this video presentation for homework number 2 of travel agency. First of all, I'm gonna run my program. This is my server. I'm gonna go ahead and look for my client. This is my client folder, and let me compile my client and let me run my client. Okay, so here we can see that the client has a message from the server, and the server is asking the client for his name and stuff. But just to make this easier, I'm gonna close this now. I'm gonna actually close my server and open it again so you can see something else. I'm gonna open my terminal, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the terminal direct to my server. This looks a little bit more real, and you can see that I can have a lot of them open and connected pretty easily. So what I'm gonna do now is, well, these are clients, believe me, they're different people. Okay, so far you can see that the server is multi-threading. There's taking more than a client at a time. um, Another requirement that we had was that there should be 4 agents and no more, and that they were taking clients all the time. However, once the fifth client get connected, um, since there's just 4 agents, this guy gets a message saying, unfortunately, all of our agents are busy. Please wait for our next available agent. So just stay there. He's gonna stay there and wait. This guy, I don't know, Josh, he just got there. He saw what we had, and he said, you know what? I'm gonna go somewhere else, and he leaves. He leaves, and now that he left, this guy got an agent saying, "Hi, welcome to COP4338 Airlines. May I please have your name?" "Yeah, my name is Alex." Okay, so this guy, he got the same message, and he says, "My name is Paul." And here is another customer. Her name is Mary. And here is one more guy. His name is, this is me, Carlos. Okay, perfect. So we have our 4 customers. We're gonna be working with these guys for the next 3 minutes. Give her a ticket too. Okay, so what we're gonna see first of all is that the server is gonna display who is connected and who is on the chat. There's no capitals for the names, but anyway. Okay, so first of all, this guy, he wants to make a query. Okay, focus on this guy because for some reason I know you cannot see my pointer. So one for query, and let's say the first one, Miami Orlando. So there's 100 seats for Miami Orlando, and this guy right here, the second one, he wants to reserve a flight. He's not making a query. He knows what he wants, and he's going for it. So 5 tickets to Orlando from Miami. So we have this funny message: reservation completed. So this guy just bought 5 tickets. Let's see if it worked. This other guy here, he's gonna make a query, you know, and 95 seats. So basically, this guy bought 5 from 100, so it's 95, if my math is correct. Okay, we have this fourth guy here. He already had the tickets, so he's gonna return them. How many tickets would you like to return? He's returning 3 of them. So same flights. Let's say, okay, completed. This guy is a little bit skeptical, so he's gonna make another query just to make sure. 001, and boom, 98. Just change it. So it was 100 minus 5 plus 3. We have 98. So this is correct, and we have return, reserve, and query working. The fourth one is list all. List all, we show him the flights are available on this airline. They don't have that much, but they're studying. Then list some will show him. I don't want to see one of those long lists, so just show me five. Boom. We have these five flights. Those are the first on the list, and he's watching those five flights. Now, list available. For the sake of list available, what I did is I'll show you right now. These are the values, the initial values. These are the initial values that we have on our agency, and see how Alaska Miami it's on zero. There's no flights, it's sold out. There's a lot of people coming from Alaska, and this guy is gonna see which flights are available. By the way, that was a backup. We're now reading straight from the file. I swear that. And okay, so he saw that we sell all this, including Alaska, Miami, but it's not available because it's sold out. So Miami, Alaska is the last one that shows up on his end. Okay, well, next thing we're gonna go to the chat. So this guy is straight to the chat. Let me go to the chat. You're going to the chat, and we're all pretty chatty today. Okay, so first of all, the command for the chat was text space something. Since I'm doing this type of interface with a menu, getting a bit fancy and easier to try, I'm gonna hit A, which is the option for send a message, space, and then I'll put I don't know, hello world. Boom. Okay, everyone gets the name of the person who sent it plus the message. Of course, everyone, but whoever sent it. And this guy, this is me, Carlos. Just remember me. Okay, here this is our second guy. He says, okay, well, it's pretty nice. We can chat. So I'm gonna say hi to everyone. Hi to everyone. We got his hi, and this guy, I don't know, like let's say this guy. This guy, I don't know his name, but he's not from around, and he speaks foreign language. Believe me, this is a language. So you can see that wherever you put in there, it's gonna get boom to the other end. He texted that this is a language somewhere else, and he said that no one likes it and no one understand him, so he left. Okay, once he left, you can see, for example, that his name was Alex. Okay, Alex is not on the chat. However, we have here, I believe this is Mary, I don't know. She wants to know who is online, who says what she posts. So she's gonna use option B for list connected. Boom. So connected, we have Carlos, Mary, and Paul, and you see here that that is correct. Once she sees who is connected, she also wants to know who else is on the server but is not connected, because she probably is waiting for someone, and boom, she knows that Alex is on the server but he's not connected, as you can see here too. Once again, she wants to know exactly who is on the server but is not connected. So she goes to option D. Option D shows that only Alex is on the server but it's not connected. So she gets pretty sad and she leaves. Boom. Once again, she got to the main menu, and now if she wants, she can log off or do a lot of stuff. But instead, she just stays there and waits. Here, this guy, I don't know, let's say this is me. I'm leaving to chat, and what I'm gonna do now, it's the server options. In order to make the server listen to my Windows terminals, I cannot let the server listen to commands written straight to the server. So what I can, and I did, is I have a hidden option. There is S, and that's to turn the server into administration mode. Once the server is on administration mode, it is listening to whatever you put on the server. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna select one of the choices again. I don't like typing, so one is for list. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 people. Total connected equal to 4. That is correct. And here you have your administration mode again. See if you want to do something else. Number 2, it says there's one person just still in the chat. That's pretty sad, bro. Don't do that. Don't chat with yourself. And number 3. Okay, for number 3, we're gonna go to this folder right here. This is where the magic happens, and here this is the actual file of the, this says 98. Right now it's 99. This is for a previous test, but I'm gonna delete it because I'm not interested on that anymore. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna save with option 3. Boom. And here you have the destinations again. And I believe I'll need to go back and see if actually it's 98, the value that we had. Otherwise, if you don't trust me, you can get back in the video, but I believe that it's 98, and we're gonna know that, yeah, here 98. So this is correct, and that was our last option. Furthermore, I just go here for exit the server mode, and now we're still taking care of customers. I hope you liked the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.